Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Meenakshi Thal and I'm once again back to talk about this wonderful series where I'm actually telling you some of the good ideas to work on your personality, the things which can actually help you to create a better impact on the people around you or maybe the interviewer. Let's get started with this particular part. In part 1, I have already told you about the intonation, the things you should take care of intonation, like the way to say hello or different things in different intonation. Also, I told you about the things, pace of speech and pitch of speech. I hope you remember all that. If you do not remember or if you missed watching the video, then link is given in the description below. You can go to that and watch it now. Let's get started with this particular part of the series where I'm going to focus mainly on dressing style. So I'm definitely going to share some of the good ideas which can help you to take care of your dressing style at your workplace. If you are fresher or you are experienced, then also there are many things that we need to remember about our dressing style when we are going to a formal location. Let's get started. So very quick, this you already know, like what is the objective of the series. Let's continue with dressing style. Ta-da! Whatever is written on your t-shirt matters a lot. Please be very careful. Generally हम colors में इतना ज़्यादा busy हो जाते हैं और we even get busy कि हमें suit कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा, that we do not focus what is written on that. People make judgment based on the things which are written on your t-shirt. uh, Maybe you are out of those जिन्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ता, that's great thing, but then also at formal places it matters a lot. Whatever is written on your t-shirt is actually prejudiced by people that this must be your thought. So please avoid such situations by taking care of what is written on your t-shirt. Continuing with that, wear decent and light colored dresses. Dark colored dresses, if you like to wear dark color dresses, then it is completely your choice. There is no restriction on that, definitely, but make a good judgment in selection of clothes colors as well. Okay. Moving further, never wear tight fitting clothes or body hugging clothes. They can actually make you uncomfortable at the situation. Also, they might make you feel that you know about, they might make you worry about your looks. So आपको शायद से टेंशन हो कि मैं सही लग रही हूँ या नहीं, यहाँ से टाइट है, यहाँ से ये प्रॉब्लम है, वहाँ से वो प्रॉब्लम है. सो टू अवॉइड ऑल दिस, बी कंफर्टेबल विद वॉट यू वेयर. क्योंकि अगर आप कंफर्टेबल होगे, देन ओनली यू आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली गेट wonderful thoughts with that free mind, right? With that comfortable environment, comfortable body, and everything is like good in that case. So please be very careful about that. Yes, the way you dress reflects your personality a lot. People make judgment on that. So just be little careful when you are going to any formal place. Don't select sparkles and be in comfortable outfit. Be in your comfortable outfit and do not prefer choosing the things which has sparkles. Be careful about all these things. Moving forward, but before that, wait. If you are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. I need your support for now and forever, definitely. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, comment what you liked, or also let me know in the comments आप किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हो. What do you take care of? ठीक है. लेट्स कंटिन्यू फॉर नाउ. अच्छा, शेयर भी कर देना वीडियो. ओके. ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल फॉर गर्ल्स. Generally people misunderstand, like for males it is decided suit pant shirt, they wear that, right? But girls get confused whether they can wear kurti or suits at formal places or not. Let me tell you, yes, you can wear. So आप shirts और पैंट भी कैरी कर सकते हो, आप सूट कुर्ती इनमें से कुछ भी पहन सकते हो, बट मेक श्योर अगेन कि आप उस क्लोथिंग में कंफर्टेबल हो एंड लाइक you are taking care of those things which I told you to avoid, right? Don't में आ जाती है jeans, but I feel for now, like अगर हम आज के टाइम की बात करें, then people do wear jeans at their formal places. There is no problem in that, but please remember, tight fitting होगी तो आपको भी uncomfortable लगेगा, situation भी uncomfortable होगी, so better to avoid that. Moving further, sneakers, you should avoid wearing sneakers at your formal places. Ladies shoes bhi hote hain, like we do have shoes for us as well, so you should wear them. Okay. um, Moving forward with that, there are some more things that you should completely avoid when you are at your formal place, like mini skirts, athletic shoes, low cut tops. Means you should take care of the neck style of your top and t-shirt as well. uh, Wearing shorts is preferably not a good idea. Wearing leggings can actually make you comfortable at the place, but it might not look that comfortable for others. So please avoid wearing such clothings.